probably again be like kind of the cheerleader. I mean, I'm definitely a character. I mean, like, you know, I'm just bubbly. I'm usually always in a good mood. I think actually it would be like some of the internet stuff that adds a little bit of creativity to it, and I feel like your online presence and that kind of social media, that kind of stuff gives you a little more creative freedom.
Yeah.
I guess so. The one that goes like this, the mind blowing. There's a lot of playful banter that goes on and stuff like that. So the face where they stick the tongue out and the one eye's closed, that kind of stuff. Laugh out loud, definitely. One thing I'm actually kind of got on my bucket list to do right now is window boxes and shutters for my house. I can drive a combine or a tractor or plow or a skid loader like better than men.